Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. If you are unable to see active now and lost scene status on Instagram chat screen, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, what we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store. Here we have to tap on updates and check the list. If there is any update available for Instagram, if there is, then update the Instagram app. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then launch Instagram. Tap on profile icon. Here we have to tap on three horizontal line in top right corner. Then tap settings. Here we have to tap on privacy and tap on activity status. Now we have to turn off activity status and force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the forced restart, same. Go back to Instagram, profile, lines, setting, privacy, activity status, turn on. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. Next, launch settings, general, software update, and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. General, transfer reset iPhone, reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.